you're out here. It's a little chilly. You got another couple days to go.
Right.
Just about 48 hours, I guess. How come you came out?
Well, I was here a couple years ago for the Prop 8 in Windsor trials, gay men living in Georgia, and so that's something like this is about the only way that we're going to get. We're going to be drug kicking and screaming, maybe ahead of Alabama, but not too far. And this is, a really good case to test for marriage equality. And like I said, I think they've tipped their hands in the direction that they're leaning, given that they let other cases that came to them first go. They didn't grant cert on those.
Right. So it kind of tipped their hand in the sense that.
Well, in the sense that they could have taken those and they let them go. Those were ones that we had won, equality-wise. And, I think that really they probably would have, if the decisions had kept going in our favor, they would probably have left it alone and just not had to deal with it themselves. But these cases have given them that circuit split. So it's time.
What's it matter in a place like Georgia to have the right to marry? Is it about getting married, or is it about the sort of societal imprimatur that comes with that?
Well, it's the thing that matters about marriage to any two people anywhere in the world.
Yeah.
People should have the freedom to choose the person that they want to be with for the rest of their lives. And a person's gender, your partner's gender, shouldn't be a factor in the government telling you whether that's okay or not.
What do you do in Georgia?
I'm a residential property manager.
Okay. You single, partner? Or?
Single.
Okay.
So, hello. No.
That's good. I hope maybe. Let me ask you, your friend here, you met last time, I guess that was in 13, right? When the Windsor cases came down. Windsor and Prop 8.
Yep.
Were you just simply sitting next to each other during the line, or?
Yep, we just kind of ended up sitting next to each other.
Yeah.
We became good friends.
Oh, good. Now, what do you do? And you're from Virginia?
I'm from Michigan.
Michigan, I'm sorry.
And I'm my husband will be here. We were one of the first 300 people married in Michigan in a very small time frame.
Yeah.
And the governor, they were trying to appeal it, and finally they decided to let those 300 cases go to let us be married. But the issue still before us is you can get married on Sunday, be fired on Monday. We don't have, the Elliott Larson law isn't where it needs to be, and we're still not equally protected under the law.
From discrimination. Yeah. What's it meant to you to be married in terms of your own life? I mean, instead of a civil union, or just being longtime partners? Or?
Well, we've been together 27 years now. The big difference, I think, this year is we filed our taxes as one, and that alone was really, it's just things that we never thought we'd see in our lifetime.
Yeah. You look cold.
It's freezing.
Are you glad you came out? Is it something you're
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So you came up down from Michigan, I guess.
Yeah. And it was cold in Michigan, but this is really cold this morning.
And
You didn't spend the night out in it in Michigan either, so.
Yeah, that's true. I don't sleep on the backyard.
What do you do in Michigan?
I work in healthcare.
Okay, great. And what's your name?
James
and
Ryder.
R-I-D-E-R?
Or Y-D-E-R.
Oh, wow, like the truck, I guess.
Yeah, just like the truck.
And your name again?
Jason Hewitt, H-E-W-E-T-T.
And your commercial property?
Residential property manager.
I should take notes. Thanks. Appreciate it.